So standing in front of the IONIQ 6 here, I actually really like the looks of this car. Do appreciate it divides opinions, but as we stroll around, we'll get some vital statistics there. So very aerodynamically designed, this car, and we'll come back and look at some statistics. It's got the video mirrors, so cameras for mirrors. You can see that the door handles are a pop-out door handle for that aero efficiency. And this is probably the bit of the car that divides opinion the most, the rear. The double spoiler, very nice back though to me, and a really nice looking car. Now, if we talk about some of the vital statistics for this car, we're talking a 77.4 kilowatt battery. We've got a 168 kilowatt and 74 kilowatt motor. 239 kilowatt of maximum power. The transmission is single speed for the front and rear, and the all-electric range is 519 kilometres is the claimed range, and 10 to 100%, 11 hours 45 minutes if you're on a 7 kilowatt. Maximum charging capacity though on that AC 10.5 kilowatts. Being a Hyundai, it's obviously got the fast charging architect should you be on a DC fast charger. So let's just have a quick look on the inside. It's a very, very nice interior, as you would expect. Ventilated seats, nice centre console, pretty traditional IONIQ screens in front of us across both the Kia and IONIQ range with that shared platform. Again, paddles on the back of the steering wheels, and control and drive off the steering wheel stick there. So if I jump in, very nice place to sit. The cameras are obviously not on at the moment for the rear view, for the side mirrors. You have got some central buttons down here in the corner that allow you to control things. Down in the centre of the console, one USB port. I'm assuming there would be some others underneath, but all in all very nice. So let's just have a look in the back, and from the back, very nice to get into. Lots of room, a little bit low in the headroom at the back because of that aerodynamic, and I'm not big and my head's nearly touching the roof, so not sure a big person could sit back here. Got seat controls there, pockets, charge ports down there, and air vents, and a little bit of storage. There's storage in the doors as well, but a very, very nice, comfortable feel in the back of this car. And I think we'll be able to have a look at the front. So we do have some front storage as well, probably your cables, etc. would fit in there, but it is good to see some storage anyway. Just getting those out of the boot is always handy. So like to see that. Very nice tidy bay there for those of you who are interested in how they look. And that's very, very good looking car.